Hello everybody, welcome to our next topic session this week. Our topic is Anna Hibiscus's song. I'm going to read a little bit more of the book today. So, Anna Hibiscus's song by Atanuki and Lauren Tobia. Anna Hibiscus lives in Africa, amazing Africa. It is morning, the sun is hot. Anna Hibiscus is in the mango tree. The tree is cool. Up in the tree, Anna Hibiscus can see her whole family. Grandmother and grandfather are sitting on the veranda. Aunties are pounding yam outside the kitchen. Cousins are scattering corn for the chickens. Papa is going to work with Uncle Tundi, and Mama is waving goodbye. Anna Hibiscus feels so happy. She almost floats out of the tree. Quickly, Anna Hibiscus jumps down. Grandmother, grandfather, Anna Hibiscus shouts. I'm so happy. What can I do? Grandfather opens his hand wide. When I'm happy, I count all the reasons why, he says. Anna Hibiscus counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. But she's far more happy than that. When I'm happy, chuckles grandmother, I squeeze grandfather's hand. So Anna Hibiscus does, and her happiness grows. Auntie Jolly, calls Anna Hibiscus, I am so happy. What can I do? You can come and help your aunties to pound yam, shouts Auntie Jolly. Anna Hibiscus is not sure. Oh, yeah, come on, the aunties laugh. Our happiness gives us the strength to work. Let us see you try. So, Anna Hibiscus tries and tries. Her aunties laugh and laugh and laugh, and Anna Hibiscus's happiness grows. Anna, come and play, call the cousins. So Anna Hibiscus runs to Chocolate and Angel and Ben's. I'm so happy, she shouts. What can I do? Chocolate says, when I'm happy, I walk on my hands. I cartwheel, says Angel. I somersault, said Ben's. So Anna Hibiscus tries to walk on her hands and cartwheel and somersault. And oh, Anna Hibiscus's happiness grows. Anna Hibiscus, what is going on? Laughs Uncle Tundi. Oh, Uncle Tundi, says Anna Hibiscus, I am so happy I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah, says Uncle Tundi, turning on the car radio. When I'm happy, I dance. Uncle Tundi and Anna Hibiscus dance and dance around the car. And oh, 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 Anna Hibiscus's happiness grows. Now today it's going to be a little bit different because I want you to, first of all, we're going to do this. We're going to look at different people dancing. So look at sometimes, okay, 3 pictures of people dancing together. And the first picture, they're doing a bit of modern dancing. I think that's from a film. And then the second picture, that's a little bit of salsa dancing. And I think that's in Cuba. And the third picture is of 2 ballet dancers doing some ballet. So they're all dancing together. But there's so many different types of dancing. Dance. Oh, here's a bit of break dancing. This is really cool. And look at him, he's dancing on his head. He's doing a bit of spinning. They're amazing. And then, oh, this is quite old-fashioned dancing. This is tap dancing. And there's 2 men doing it together. And there's a woman tap dancing with a cane. And there's a whole load of people doing it together, so you can do dancing with lots of people. And then there's some dancing that comes from different countries. Now this dancing is from Spain and it's called flamenco dancing, and all the ladies wear those amazing dresses and they're fantastic. And oh, here's a dancer from a place called Hawaii, and they're very famous because they wear lots of flowers in their hair and around them. And here's some dancing from India, and they have their own special costumes. It's all very bright and colourful, wonderful. And oh, and here's some African dancers, and look at their positions and their feet and their arms, so they're probably dancing to some special African music. Now in Africa, one of the main instruments are drums, and drums actually are used all over the world, and drums are amazing. They were one of the first instruments, and people used to use them to send messages to people. They used to use them to communicate, to tell stories about things. And drums are just amazing instruments. So we're going to have a look at, these are some African drums. And there's all sorts of different types of drums there, but the one right at the bottom, the little one right at the bottom, I put that in there because actually that's a drum that when I was little, I had a little drum just like that one. So those are all different types of African drums, but there are a lot of others as well, but these are all ones for you to look at. And that little boy at the bottom, he looks very happy playing his drum. So today, what I want you to do is all this. So I want you to have a bit of fun today. And I've put lots of different websites, video links for you to watch. And you can watch some of them or all of them. The first one is watching some children doing some drumming. And then there are some ones if you want to learn to play. And the first one is really good because the man tells you all about African drums and Africa. And then the bottom one is if you want to find ways of how you can make a drum yourself. Otherwise, you can just see if you can find something in your house that you can make into a drum. You could use a box and you could colour it in, you put something over the top, but make your own drum and see if you can make your own music with it. And I've put there, just remember to have fun, but remember your parents, they might be working. And these are the things you might need. Let's see. You might need some sellotape, some scissors, some pens to colour your drum in if you're using a box. And you could use a box or any sort of box. Or you might want to use some tins. And that's some cling film, which if you put it over the top of the tin and you get someone to help you to do it really tight. But another way of doing it is to use a balloon. And on the video about making a drum, it shows you how to do it. And you stretch the balloon over the top of the tin and it makes a really good sound when you beat it. So you could, if you've got a balloon, you might want to try that. And I just want you to have fun, but see if you can listen to some music and see if you can make a drum with something at home. And if you can't make it, maybe you could just use some pots and pans and things that you can find in your house and have some fun. Okay? And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye everybody. Keep drumming.